Welcome back. I'm having a new mail call. Had a bunch of items come in this week. So let's begin. AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. So first item here. This is a endoscope webcam. I mean, you can stick it in narrow little places and have a look. Now I can't plug it in onto this machine because for some reason, once I go over 3 webcams, things stop working. So I'll have to try this out later. So let's shove my garbage over in the corner there. And my next little item here. These are little power bucky converter thingies I have to assemble. It's a little bright. Let's play with the dim a little bit here because, 250. Let's do 200. And that doesn't look like 200. That looks like 200. Yeah, that's a bit better. Problem with these things like envelopes and that, and the lighting I have, it's really, really bad. Yep, so DC to DC stuff. So, little kit to play with. Another envelope on the floor. My next one here is... These come from eBay. And what they are the heating elements in a soldering pencil. So I have a pencil here that has a broken element that doesn't work. So I'm gonna give it I hope repair them. So another bag onto the floor. My next one, and I was looking forward to this guy. Bag on the floor. This guy. It is a lead bender. So the idea is we have this resistor, and what we do is we decide, well, I need my leads bent like so. Voila. And if that doesn't do the trick for you, let's just straighten this out again. But that was quite wide. So there's little measury things on here. That, for example, and we take it off again. Voila. Cute. Yep. It actually wasn't cheap though. No matter where I looked, it was an expensive toy. So, next one. You know where the bag goes. Okay, so, you know me, blind as bat, proverbial bat. I bought a thing to look at things. Now, I already put some batteries in this. So, let us see. Doink. Boy, does it work well. I have to actually bring my head back in order to focus. So there's that chip. That mal. And they have a little other thing, so I can actually use this one here. Ooh, where is that chip? There it is. So I can use this one. Atmal 70424CO4N SU27D. Not bad. Yes, we can really magnify. And the light wears handy. So I think that was a really good investment. And look at this. There's even instructions. This is from AliExpress. I think it was only like $4 or something like that. I have to look it up, but it was pretty cheap. Next item. This is pretty heavy, actually. Side cutters. These guys were only like $2 or $3 a side cutter. Let me get the rest out. So it's nice of these guys to pack these with a pointy protector on it. It's funky. But there you go. Got a good blade thing. Dunk, dunk. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. This blade is actually quite nice. Where's my VL? So 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. You can see here, it's nice and smooth and flush. And compared to my old ones, do I have an old pair over here? Yeah. So this pair I bought off Amazon a while back. Xuron, and they were actually about $20 a pop. These, and I've worn out. Well, this one's not too bad. This one's not. It's one of my newer ones, but I've worn out, of course, the blades. These, with a little weight, were like $2 or $3 a pop. The only reason I didn't buy more than 4 of them, because the shipping went up. But I could go back and buy another 4 set like this at the same cheap shipping rate. And I like that. Okay, next one. This guy here. Let's pull it out. Actually, well, will you look at that? More of these SDI, BNC, coaxy cable-y things. And what they are is, if I remember correctly, they're just couplers. So if you have the wrong set, and I have the board with the signal generator, and I needed one of these on it, but believe it or not, buying 1 or buying 10 was exactly the same price. So I have a whole bunch of these now. I'll have to add it to my collection of these stuff. So I have some other ports, you know, elbows and everything. Okay. This came really fast. I was quite surprised. So this, if I can get it open here, is an LED panel. You've probably seen these, what they call cob panels. So you put some voltage here, and voila, it will light up. Now, I don't know if there's a coating on here. No, this feels just really rubbery. Yeah. So, I will be trying this out this weekend. I have to wire some wires on it first before I can use it. I was thinking of this to use it as a light source on the bench. So let me just put this aside. This was quite late arriving, but it was a little container of, you guessed it, capacitors. Now my focus is down here. There we go. One of the problems I have with the make book is they ask for some oddball cap sizes. So I've gotten a whole bunch of electrolytic caps, but some of them were just not the right ones. So I had to go pick and choose from all the hundreds and hundreds of suppliers of this stuff, different ones, because I needed some. There were certain values. So we got some 470s. I probably got some 47s in here. 220s. So this was a 120 part kit. Costs about $4, $3, something silly like that. 330s. 33s. But you get the idea. And it came in a little container. And I can add another little container. Running out a little bit of room here to stuff stuff. I'll just put it over here. Okay, next one I have. And this is, I'm not impressed. I bought some of these. I didn't expect this many of them. I expected like a lot less. But look how bent all the pins are. Could they not have just stuffed this into a piece of styrofoam? What I need to get out is a mechanical pencil, and I used the mechanical pencil to straighten pins out. Yeah, this is really dumb. So, not impressed. Not impressed at all. The guys who supplied the black ones, at least they put the black ones into some styrofoam like this to ship it. Okay, that's another bag. That's another bag. Now, the big toy for the day. Amazon Prime Day. I always wanted one of these. Dremel. So, let's open this guy up. And by the way, I'm stuffing it in an envelope. Just leads to crushing. It's a good thing this box is fairly sturdy, but I'd have to say Amazon doesn't sound good. Amazon should learn better from this. Now, I have a UPS still to come, and it arrived. One tool. One set of manuals. Well, that's strange. I have to actually open this up from the bottom, too. I can't get out the supplementary little kit that's in there. This kit. Well, Dremel, blah blah blah. Warranty card. Yes, right. We really fill those things in. Well, it's a nice little tool. It's hard to judge on the website the sizing and stuff of this stuff. So let's VL. Come on. So our little speed thing. Okay, well, one thing on this model I'll have to say right away, this you should have not chinched out on. Should put a power switch instead of have a slider to off. It would be a lot nicer. Do you think it spins? Kind of like those blender videos. Will it blend? Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to take this back to 0 on the zoom. Oops. Here we go. And let's undo this. Now, since it's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning, I better not make too much noise. They put a choke on here. Interesting. Well, the plug is correct. See, we have a fat end and a skinny end, so at least this is recognizing North America standards properly. There we go. Well, it'll do the trick. It'll do the trick. I really wanted for drilling holes and stuff like that, so it's not that I'm after a lot of things. So put that in here for a sec. So I got a kit, some basic parts, cutting wheels. I'll probably have to, oops. There we go. So grinding stones, grinding stones, grinding stones, one cutting wheel. That's it. Well, I will have to go get some buffing things, sandy things. What the heck is this for? Oh, this is weird. There's my little tool for undoing things. Oh. Uh-huh. This guy's the key part. So, ouch. It's on tight. No, there we go. Maybe not. That's a tight screw. The one at work is a lot looser. Doink. Maybe it's just new. If you're wondering what this is for, this is the piece where you put on the wheels and stuff onto here. Like so. So if we took this wheel out of here, and we were to use it. Now the piece I really wanted in here, and I don't see it, I'll probably have to get it, is the chuck adapter for it. So the idea of this is this goes into this, this goes into this. But you should all be aware how Dremels work. Oops. Oh, come on. Fuck me. Not impressed with the tool compartment. too much tighten. So oh, there we go. Like this. So leave these in here. I'll just take this off again. One wheel. One frickin' little wheel. And I can see what I'll be shopping for next is a supply of Dremel parts. Now there's supposed to be a chuck adapter for these things, if I remember correctly. Because I don't think... Let's just try undoing this a little bit. I think... And you put one of these guys in. Well, this is strange. This doesn't even fit. Wow, I think this has been opened before because this doesn't fit into here. This is the wrong part for it. This will fit. Nope. This might be going back. Nope. So these are not the parts for this. Wow, this sucks. Can't even use it because it doesn't have the right pieces in here. This piece on here is wrong. No, actually it looks like it's damaged. Yes, it looks like someone crammed it in here. Yep. I'm afraid this is going to go back because this is broken. All useless. This sucks. Well, I'm very sad about that. So I'll have to bundle it all back up, find my tape gun, and send it all back to Amazon. Oh, fuck off, Spy. There we go. Okay, so none of the bits fit the end because the end is damaged. Or it's the wrong end for this thing. Yeah, see? This is all wrong. This shouldn't be like this. This chuck is being damaged. Okie dokie. Well, that was mail call in disappointment night because of 2 pieces. That'll be the first time I will be returning something to Amazon. I did it at work and it works pretty well, so let's find out. Okay, see you next time.